Hey creators, I'm Angel Marie, the creator educator at ConvertKit, here to talk to you all about launching a paid email newsletter. Let's get started. Email has removed publishers, editors, and gatekeepers from the mix as new technology has opened up paid email newsletters to creators of all kinds. This means that launching a paid newsletter to share your creativity, attract a following, and generate revenue is now easier than ever before. A paid newsletter is a type of product where a subscriber pays a monthly subscription fee to a creator or a company in exchange for receiving exclusive content via email. Most paid email newsletters appear in the inbox at least once a week, and they come in all different shapes and sizes. They can include thought-provoking writing, stories, links, curated content, and so much more. And you don't even need to run a full-on media operation to make this happen. Let me show you exactly how to launch your very own paid newsletter in ConvertKit. First, determine if a paid newsletter is right for you to begin with. Before we even dive into ConvertKit, you have to determine if launching a paid newsletter is right for you. Email newsletters might be a great business model, but you need to remember you're still running a business. That means you'll need to maintain a fixed schedule and deliver what you promise, or your subscribers will begin to churn. If you feel it's right for you, then to launch your paid newsletter in ConvertKit, you're just going to head up here to the Products tab and click on New Product. From there, you're going to choose a newsletter topic. Choose a topic that your audience is interested in learning about, but also one that you're experienced with and interested in sharing your knowledge on a weekly basis. Third, choose the right platform. Here at ConvertKit, we have a commerce platform where creators can sell their paid newsletters subscriptions right alongside their very own digital products. Fourth, you're going to set your price. Now, I know that when it comes to the pricing, it could feel a little weird, but the good news is that you have plenty of options for creating a pricing model that's affordable for subscribers and profitable for you at the same time. You could charge a very small fee, like $5 a month to kickstart your audience, or you could charge a higher price, like $99 a month for exclusive content. From there, you're just going to give your product and your launched paid newsletter a domain name and the page URL that you'd like this to be. Fifth, kickstart your audience with free newsletter content. If you don't already have an email list, consider sharing your content for free through a landing page first before launching a paid newsletter, as I'm showing you right here. That way, you're going to be able to build loyal subscribers through your free newsletter content, and those people will more than likely pay for your paid newsletter subscription once you launch. So in this case, I'm just going to create a free landing page. I'm going to click on Newsletter to choose a template that pertains to newsletters, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose the template that I feel fits my business in the best way. You can customize it, let people know you're launching this free newsletter. Another amazing thing that you can even do is by heading to this plus button on the left-hand side and clicking on Newsletter Feed for it to filter in a sneak peek of what your newsletters look like. Now, if you want this to appear, just so that you can promote the kind of content that you're delivering, all you're gonna do is head to the Broadcast tab in your account, head to the broadcast emails that have already been sent, and you're going to enable on public feeds. This is for the purpose of allowing it to show inside the newsletter feed on your landing pages. Sixth, promote your newsletter. Now, if you're launching a free newsletter, as I previously showed you on this landing page, all you're going to do is click Save and Publish. You're going to go to Share and click to copy this link and paste it anywhere and everywhere you can to share the news about your free newsletter. If you're launching a paid newsletter via ConvertKit Commerce, as I demoed over here, all you're going to do is create the product, and you're going to customize how you want the product page, the checkout page, the confirmation page, and the receipt email that your subscribers are going to be getting from you. You can customize that to your liking, and when you're all good to go, you're going to click Save, head to Publish. Now you can either click to copy this link and share your paid newsletter link right away, or you can even embed this button on your website to get subscribers opting in to your very own paid newsletter. And that, my friends, is exactly how you create and launch your very own paid newsletter in ConvertKit. If you'd like to give it a try, you can head to the link down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.